Hi students, today we are going to see example 1.9 and 1.10. Okay, today we are going to see two example sums, example 1.9 and 1.10. Okay, come let's see the sums. Example 1.9. First, we are going to see example 1.9. Verify AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. First we have to find A into B matrix, then find whole inverse, not transpose, whole inverse. So whole inverse means 1 by determinant of A into B, next adjoint of AB. Okay, so next this is AB whole inverse. Next B inverse and A inverse value. These two values are equal or not. We are going to verify these two values are equal or not. Okay, so let's see. First I told you find A into B matrix. We using matrix multiplication. The given A matrix is 0, minus 3, 1, 4, and B matrix minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 1. So by using matrix multiplication, we are going to find A into B value. A into B value. Okay. So A into B value means A multiplication of A matrix into B matrix. Know that row column, divide A matrix into rows and B matrix into columns. We have to multiplication 0 2s are 0, 3 zeros are 0. Okay, next 0 into 3 0, 0 in minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so next 1 into minus 2, 4 into 0 0. Next 1 into minus 3, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Here I am using usual matrix multiplication. Then we get A into B matrix is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 3 3, minus 2 plus 0 minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Okay, so this is A into B matrix. Okay, next we are going to find A into B whole inverse. So you know that 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB matrix. Adjoint of AB matrix. So 1 by determinant of AB. So we have to find the determinant of this value. So 0 into anything 0, minus of minus plus 2 3s are 6. So this is determinant value. 1 by determinant value 0 plus 6. Next I already told you in 2 by 2 matrix how to find the adjoint of A matrix. So transform these two values and here changing the sign. By changing the sign we get adjoint value. So transform the two values, minus 7 becomes here. So minus 7 0, we transform the two values. Next here minus 2, so I put plus 2. Here plus 3, so I put minus 3. I repeat, transform these two values, minus 7 0, without changing the sign. We are changing sign here, this diagonal. So minus 3 plus 2. So this is adjoint of AB value. Okay, so already we found the determinant of AB is 0 plus 6 is 6. This is adjoint of A value. Okay, we keep it this one as a equation number 1. Next we are going to find A inverse into B inverse. Okay, so I already told you, you know that A value is, A matrix is 0, -3, 1, 4. Okay, in question itself they given A value 0, -3, 1, 4. Okay, so this, if we take a determinant of this value 0 into anything 0, 0, minus here -3, so +3. So +3 is the determinant value. Next adjoint of A value, so I already told you, here you changing the sign. This is A value, so adjoint of A value, I told you 4 becomes here 0 goes there. So next here -1 +3, so adjoint of A value is 4 + 3 -1 0, 4 + 3 -1 0. Okay, so this is A inverse value, this is determinant of A value, and this is adjoint of A value. Next 0 + 3 becomes 3. Next this matrix as usual. Okay, next same method we are going to find B inverse value. So B inverse equal to determinant of B value, this is determinant of B value. Next changing the sign and diagonal value, so B value, this is B matrix, so B inverse equal to 1 by determinant of value is minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2, minus 0 into anything 0, and then adjoint of A value is changing the values, -1 becomes here, -2 goes there. So B inverse equal to 1 by 2 minus 0 into, so I told you here interchanging the values, -1 -2, here changing the sign, -0 is 0, -3, minus of -3 plus 3. Okay, this is a B inverse value. So B inverse equal to 1 by 2 into -1 3 0 -2. Okay, so therefore we found A inverse and B inverse. Next we are going to find B inverse into A inverse. Don't forget, B inverse into A inverse, not A inverse into B inverse. Like we know that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Like that, AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, so if you multiply B inverse into A inverse, usual matrix multiplication. Before that we should multiply the number 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Next if you multiply remaining matrix, you get same value. So this is keep as equation number 2, compare equation 1 and 2, you get same value. Okay, so let's see, 1 by 6 minus 7 minus 3 2 0. We already found AB whole transpose equal to 1 by 6 into -7 -3 2 comma 0. So these two equations, from these two equations we get same value. Then AB whole inverse equal to AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse is verified. Okay, so this is example 1.9 sum. So I repeat, AB whole inverse, verify AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse with A equal to 0 -3 1 4, B equal to -2 -3 0 -1. First we found A into B value. Next we take inverse of A B. So A into B inverse value is 1 by 6 into minus 3 minus 7 minus 3 2 0. Next A inverse and B inverse value. Next B inverse into A inverse, we get same value of AB whole inverse value. So therefore these two values are equal, therefore that equation is verified. Next example 1.10, if A equal to 4325, if A equal to 4325, find x and y such that the given one equation a square plus x into a plus y into I2. Here I2 is identity matrix of dimension 2. O2 means zero matrix of dimension 2. So here I want to tell you what is I2. I2 equal to 1001 and O2 value is 0000. Okay, so then find A inverse. Here A inverse, finding A inverse is with using this equation, not ordinary method. Using this equation is very important. So let's see, if A equal to 4325, find x and y such that the given equation, from this equation only we are going to find x and y value. So a square plus x into a plus y into I2 equal to O2. Hence find A inverse. Here we are going to find A inverse from using this equation. So not a straight method. Okay. So this is very important 5 more question. So first you have to find A square. Okay. So we know that A value is 4325. So A square equal to A into A. So A value 4325. So here using normal matrix multiplication, 4 4s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 22. Same, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 27. Next 2 4s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. 8 plus 10, 18. Next 2 3s are 6 plus 5 5s are 25. So 6 plus 25, 31. So you know that this method. So from matrix multiplication we found A square value. Next substitute A square and A value in given equation. What is given equation? A square plus x into A plus y into I2 equal to O2. So this is A square value, then plus x into A value plus y into I2 value equal to O2 value. Okay. So this is A square value, A square plus x into A plus y into I2 equal to O2. Okay. So here normal addition, matrix addition method. So application of matrices using matrix addition method. So 22 x into 4 4x, y into 1 y. Okay, next 27 plus x into 3 plus y into 0 0, actually plus 0 here. Okay, so next 18 2 into x 2x plus 0 into y 0. Next 31 plus 5 into x 5x plus 1 into y y equal to 0 matrix. Okay, 22 plus 4x plus 1 into y. Okay, first equation. 27 3 into x 3x plus 0 into anything 0. 18 plus 2x plus 0 into y 0. Next 31 plus 5 into x plus 1 into y. Okay, so next we are taking as a equation So we know that if two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. Okay, so here equating the corresponding elements. So first equation, 22 plus 4x plus y equal to 0. Next to 27 plus 3x equal to 0. 18 plus 2x equal to 0. 31 plus 5x y plus y equal to 0. So from these we take any equation to find x and y value. So if you take these two values, it's easy to find x value because y is not there. So if we take that value, you can get x value easily. That's why we take that values. So suppose we take 18 plus 2x equal to 0. So 18 plus 2x equal to 0. From these we are going to find x value. So 2x equal to 18, if we transform that side, minus 18, x equal to 2, transform the side, it becomes divide. So minus 18 divide to minus 9. Okay. Next we are going to find a y value. So we know that x equal to minus 9. Substitute first equation or second equation. So we'll take first equation. 22 plus 4 into minus 9 plus y equal to 0. So 22 minus 36 plus y equal to 0. This is minus 14 plus y equal to 0. Then y equal to minus 14. If we transform that side, it's plus 14. So y equal to plus 14. I repeat, we know that y value is minus 9. So substitute y value in first or second equation. So I will take first equation. 22 plus 4 into minus 9 plus y equal to 0. So 22 minus 36 plus y equal to 0. 22 minus 36 is minus 14 plus y equal to 0. Then y equal to, transform minus 14 that side, becomes plus 14. Therefore y equal to plus 14. Substitute x value and y value in given equation. Therefore the given equation becomes a square minus x into a value 9 into a plus y into I2 value 14 into I2. So we have equation. Let's see what is given in the question. So a square plus x value is minus 9. So a square minus 9 into a plus y value 14 into I2 equal to 0. 2. O2 0 matrix. So therefore we get the equation value a minus 9i plus 14 a inverse equal to O2. So from this we are going to find a inverse value. So we know that we have a square minus 9a plus 14i2 equal to 0, 2. So 0 matrix. If you multiply A inverse on each term, A square into A inverse minus 9A into A inverse. So plus 14I2 into A inverse equal to 0 matrix into A inverse. So here A is 2 minus 1 becomes 1, A power 1. A inverse value I, and if we multiply unit matrix to any matrix, we get same A inverse. 0 into anything matrix is 0 matrix. So then the equation becomes A minus 9i plus 14 A inverse equal to 0. So I repeat, so all we have A square minus 9a plus 14i2 equal to 0, 2. A inverse multiplication on each term, A square into A inverse minus 9a into A inverse plus 14I2 into A inverse plus 0 matrix into A inverse. So A square into A inverse value A power 1 and 9a A inverse value I. Then unit matrix into anything, same matrix A inverse. Next 0 matrix into anything, 0 matrix. So from these you want to find A inverse, keep it A inverse this side, transform the things that side. So minus 9a A inverse equal to minus 9a becomes plus 9i plus a becomes minus a and 14 multiplication becomes divide. So A inverse equal to 1 by 14 into 9i minus a. Okay, so A inverse equal to 1 by 14 into 9i minus a. Substitute the value a and 9i. 1 by 14 into 1 by 14 into 9 into I value 1001 minus a value 4325. So equal to 1 by 14 into 9i is 9 into 1 9. So 9 here. So 9 minus 4 5. 1 by 14 into 9 minus 4 5. 0 minus 3 minus 3. 0 minus 2 minus 2. 9 minus 5 4. So this is A inverse value. Okay, so this is A inverse value 1 by 14 into 5 minus 3 minus 2 4. Okay, I repeat. So given A matrix is 4 3 2 5, find x and y value such that the equation is given, hence find A inverse with using that equation. So from you want to find x and y value, so we need A square, then substitute A square, A and I2 values in that equation. So we found first A square equal to 22 27 18 31. Next substitute A square in this equation, A square A I2 0 value, then usual matrix addition subtraction method. So we got equations. So compare two matrices. If two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal, then we have four equations. From that four equations, so I took first last equation. Otherwise you can take this equation also. We get x value is minus 9. Substitute x value this equation or this equation, we get y value equal to 14. Substitute x and y value in question what the equations are given. So x value is minus 9, so A square minus 9a, y value plus 14 14i2 equal to 0. We want A inverse. So if we multiply A inverse in that equations, it becomes A minus 9i2 plus 14 A inverse equal to 0. So you want A inverse only, transform these remaining terms to the side of the equal. So we get A inverse equal to 1 by 14 into 1 by 14 into 9i2 minus a. Substitute I2 and a value, normal subtraction, we get A inverse value. Okay, that's all. Thank you all.